High heat, powerful pressure, precision molding. This is how a plastic dustbin is made. High-quality polypropylene plastic pellets are stored in large industrial silos for dustbin production. Bulk bags of polypropylene pellets are emptied into the silos for consistent supply. The hopper receives the plastic granules ready for melting. Sensors ensure proper level of granules before melting begins. Pellets are continuously supplied to maintain production flow. Bulk bags of polypropylene pellets are emptied into the silos for consistent supply. The plastic granules are heated in the injection machine barrel until molten. A rotating screw pushes the molten plastic forward under pressure. Precise temperature control ensures uniform melting of polypropylene. Molten plastic is ready to be injected into the mold. Hydraulic pressure ensures the mold cavity fills completely. The molten plastic flows into the mold with precision. Machines are equipped with protective guards for safety. The screw continues to push molten plastic forward. Controlled heat ensures consistent plastic flow. Sensors maintain injection speed for accurate molding. Excess material is removed and recycled back into the system. Molten plastic is injected into a steel mold shaped like a dustbin body. The mold cavity precisely forms the dustbin shape. Water channels quickly cool and solidify the plastic. After cooling, the mold opens to release the dustbin body. Ejector pins gently push the solid dustbin from the mold. Dustbin bodies move along conveyor for further processing. Robotic arms handle each dustbin carefully. The mold is cleaned and prepared for the next cycle. The mold ensures consistent thickness of plastic walls. Cooling water is recycled back into the system. Each dustbin body is visually inspected for defects. Cooling water is recycled back into the system. Each dustbin body is visually inspected for defects. Extra plastic at the rim is trimmed with robotic precision. Dustbin surfaces are polished for a smooth finish. Finished dustbin bodies are ready for lid assembly. Lids are manufactured using a separate injection molding process. The mold forms the dustbin lid perfectly. The lid is carefully ejected after cooling. Foot pedal rods are prepared for installation. Pedal mechanism installed for pedal-operated dustbins. Pedal springs ensure smooth opening and closing. The lid is assembled to complete the dustbin. Each dustbin is checked for proper pedal and lid function. Structural integrity is verified during inspection. Completed dustbins are stacked for packaging. Dustbins move to the packaging section automatically. Dustbins are carefully placed inside cardboard boxes. Boxes are sealed with industrial tape for shipping. Each dustbin is tested for leaks and strength. Weight verification ensures consistency. Quality control selects random dustbins for testing. Lids are tested for strength under pressure. Boxes are labeled clearly without brand or trademark. Finished boxes are moved automatically to storage. Pallets are wrapped for safe transportation. Automated forklifts transport pallets inside warehouse. Dustbins are loaded for shipment to distribution centers.
The production line resets for the next batch. Pressure.
Finished dustbins are durable and ready for daily use. Each dustbin meets quality and safety standards. The modern factory uses fully automated processes for efficiency. Plastic dustbins are packed, inspected, and ready for shipment worldwide. High heat, powerful pressure, precision molding. This is how a plastic dustbin is made.